Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this particular interior over here. So let's start lighting with a Vray IS light. So let's assign some IS light over here. So I'll just make this view as a left view over here, and I'll just drag it. Let's take a IS light. I'll just drag this over here. So let's select this, push it a bit out. So if needed, what I'll do is I'll just shuffle this a bit over here in this way. So I'll just drag it, push it over here in this way. So let's go over here, and we have this IS file over here. So what I'll do is I'll just call the IS file. So let me see the IS over here. I do have it, so I'll just search it once over here. The IS pack. So if you don't find it, we'll just get it. So I'll just go over here and we'll take the IS pack over here. So let's just download the IS pack. So you can just write IS lights. So I can go into this website and I can just download this light pack over here. Let's download it. It's still searching. I guess I don't have it. So I'll just copy this over here and I'll put it over here in my folder. Let's just paste it and let's extract it over here. So once it is done, let's go over here, and now what I'll do is I'll go into this, go into the light pack, and we have different types of light over here. I can go with comet light, or I can go with jellyfish as well. If you want, I can just go over here and I can just make it as high quality over here just to preview it. So I can just preview this light for a moment. Okay, we'll just wait for a while. So what I'll do, if it is not working out, we'll just render it. Okay, it's showing the light over here. So instead of that, what I'll do is I'll just change it to soft arrow light. That is much better. So I'll just shuffle this up over here, and I'll go over here into this, and let's change the temperature of it, and let's increase the intensity value of it over here. I can slightly increase the intensity value in this way. So I'll just select this light, I'll just duplicate it, so wherever it is required. So what I'll do is I'll just select this light. First I'll save this file once. So let's just duplicate it and let's make it as instance over here. So let's just make it as instance. Again I'll again duplicate it, make it an instance over here, and let's rotate it. So I'll again drag it over here in this way. So select this, so again copy this, alright. So I am using this lights over here. So again you can select this light, select this, again copy this, so just shuffle it over here in this way. And duplicate it in this way. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding this over here, and let's render it once. So I have added some IS lights over here. So let's just render it once and see how it looks like. So it's going to take time. So as you can see how these lights work over here. So these are all the light presets. If you go into this light pack, you will get all this kind of presets over here. You can use this light presets wherever it is required. So it's just building the light cache. You can see that we can slightly reduce the multiplier of this lights. So it's illuminating very high over here. So what I'll do is first I'll just save the file. Because the lights are more. So again I'll go into this. Let's select this and slightly I'll reduce, not this, the intensity value will keep it less. So if you keep it less, then it would render it properly over here in a much better way. So this looks okay now over here. Now if you see this part, so this part is illuminating a lot over here. I can just go over here. I'll just select this light and let's the multiplier of this, let's see how much is a multiplier of this light. That's 4. So let's just make this as 2 at least over here, so that would be much better. Okay, this looks better, and if required we can still reduce the lights if needed. I'll again go over here, I'll go to the top view, and this light has to be increased over here. Can slightly put it closer. So let's render it once again. Now you can see that how it is illuminating it. So you can see that IS light which is added over here is also showing you over here. So the multiplier of the IS light, we have kept it very less over here. Now alright, so it's going to take time a bit to render this, but that's okay. So we have added this, we have slightly worked over here. Let's open this, and if needed we can add some lights over here as well, but we have already added this light, so that's totally okay. Go into rendering, oops, I'll just go over here, save the file once, go into rendering, go into render setup, over here let's go into Vray. Any changes required, let's go into this and make it as Catmull room. Local subdivisions, lock noise pattern, and give the noise threshold to 0.001. Environment, if needed we can keep this as a GI environment if needed. So if you're adding a GI environment, it's going to be very bright. So what I'll do is you can just off this. I'll make the color mapping as exponential, keep this as irridance map light cache, that's the secondary bounce. Make this as medium 150 by 50 over here. Let's render it once again. So we'll keep this as it is. We'll keep the color mapping as linear multiply. If you go with HSV exponential, it's more of a same. So I'll just keep right now as linear multiply only. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.